Did you know you can send real SMS messages directly from your browser using AI? In this video, I'll show you how to connect Page Assist with your Android phone to send text messages using simple voice commands. Let's get started. How does this solution work? Page Assist connects to the Ozeki Android SMS MCP server through the MCP protocol, allowing messages to travel from your browser to your Android phone, which then forwards them to the SMS service provider for delivery to the recipient. What is Page Assist? Page Assist is an open-source browser extension that brings AI chat capabilities directly into your web browser and supports MCP servers for extending functionality with external tools. What is an Android SMS MCP server? An Android SMS MCP server is a model context protocol server that runs on an Android smartphone and exposes SMS functionality as structured tools that any MCP-compatible AI client can call. To get started, scan the QR code with your Android phone to download and install the Ozeki Android SMS Gateway app. Once installed, Page Assist will connect to your Android phone over your local Wi-Fi network using the MCP protocol to enable SMS messaging capabilities. Before you can use the MCP SMS server, you need to install the Ozeki SMS client on your Android device. The app will serve as the local SMS gateway that Page Assist connects to over your Wi-Fi network. Make sure both devices are on the same local network, as this is required for the HTTP connection to work. Open the Ozeki SMS Client app on your Android device and tap the MCP tab in the bottom navigation bar. Tap the toggle switch to start the MCP server and grant any permission requests that appear, including access to SMS messages. The toggle will switch from stop to running, and the API endpoint URL will appear below. Copy this URL as you will need it when configuring Page Assist in the next step. Now let's add the SMS MCP server configuration to Page Assist. Open the Page Assist extension in your browser and navigate to Settings. Select the MCP Server section from the left sidebar and click the Add MCP Server button. In the registration form, set the server name to Android SMS MCP, and for the server URL, enter the endpoint address. To test SMS sending from Page Assist, start a new chat and make sure the Android SMS MCP server is enabled for your current session by checking the MCP Tools toggle in the chat interface. Type a plain language instruction in the chat prompt asking the AI to send an SMS to your desired phone number with your message. Open the Ozeki SMS Client app on your Android device and navigate to the Settings tab to access the Log option where you can view the request and response history. Select the MCP tab to see the incoming tool call requests from Page Assist and confirm that your SMS was dispatched successfully. And that's how you send SMS from Page Assist, using an Android phone as an MCP server. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like this video and subscribe for more guides on AI tools and messaging solutions. Thanks for watching.